Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service warning for southern Montana County in north-central Texas, northwestern Wise County in north-central Texas, northeastern Jack County in north-central Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Jacksboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Newport around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Amonji Carter around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bowie around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Nacona around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lost Creek Reservoir, Stoneburg, Cundiff, Millard, Fruitland, Park Springs, Montague, Postock, Crampton, and Forestburg. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.